Hey everyone, Zane here, and today I'm going to show you how to use Microsoft Copilot in Teams. Now let's say that your last meeting ran long and you are now late to the next one. Copilot in Teams has got you covered. As soon as you join the new meeting, open up Copilot and type in "What did I miss in the meeting so far?" Copilot will come through the transcript and get you up to speed in seconds. Now let's ask Copilot to dig a little deeper. You need to remember that the more information you give Copilot, the better the outcome. For example, type in for each participant in this meeting, what is their biggest concern? But also, what are they most excited about? Within seconds, Copilot can help you identify main points and opportunities so that you can jump in with fresh ideas. You can also keep the meeting moving by asking Copilot what questions can the group ask to generate more ideas. Copilot will instantly provide you with a list of great questions as you can get the group thinking of new ideas from a different perspective. So Copilot makes everything more efficient and helps you to be present for the discussion. So you can really be in the meeting when you need to be in and catch up with Copilot when you don't. And after the meeting ends, you can simply ask Copilot to summarize the meeting for you. And that's all for today. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to support us with like, subscribe, comment, share. Thanks for watching and see you in a new video.